It's melted, isn't it?
That part down there is not melted.
It's melted some. That's good. You missed it, buddy. Mom slid all the way down the hill. How's she gonna get back up?
She's smart. She'll walk in the grass.
Shut that door. Hannah,
The door you left open.
That's what.
Walk in the street.
Uh-oh.
Go get it.
Go get it.
Go get it.
My feet are cold.
That was not me.
She's going all the way to the road.
I can't see her now.
She's going to the flat part. No, you. She'll know just done it to start with.
Yeah.
Come on, try to walk up, please.
Walk up
On the street, please.
the driveway.
The driveway, please.
She's testing it. We know that.
I thought I was pretty good to make it from there to there without falling.
Try to walk over here.
Well, I believe I'll have to.
She's gonna walk across the buffet. She
That
gonna
snow
start
is
sliding
looking
down.
nice,
It doesn't snow anymore.
Go, we're videoing. We ain't got time to wait. She's stuck now.